Welcome to MCM Royalty Legacy International Incorporated, multiplying your success. So in this video ay tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano kakikita dito sa MCM Royalty Legacy. So purpose ng video nito ay para mas madali mong may paliwanag sa mga members mo at sa mga upcoming members mo ang business natin. So share mo lang sa kanila ang video nito at i-guide mo sila kung paano magsimula. MCM Royalty Ways to Earn. Unang-una ay meron tayong sign up rewards. Earn 600 pesos after signing up an account in our website. Meron din tayong watch and earn rewards, kung saan manonood ka lang ng YouTube videos for 7 days and earn 200 pesos per video. Earn up to 1,400 pesos. Meron din tayong direct selling. Earn 40% to 60% profit by selling our products. For example, itong best seller natin na Beautymax Rejuvenating Facial Set. So, members price niya ay mabibili mo siya for 200 pesos at pwede mo siya maibenta into 350 pesos SRP. Direct referral rewards. Earn 150 pesos per package every time you refer a person to buy our business package. Indirect referral rewards. Earn 15 pesos every time your downline refers new affiliate. Example, this is you at na-invite mo Sir Arnold at si Sir Curvy. So, si Sir Arnold, si Sir Curvy nag-invite din. So, lahat ng mapasali nila under sa organization nila, kikita ka ng 15 pesos. Meron din tayong sales match rewards. Earn 200 pesos every pair or match in your binary structure. Yan ito. Example, this is you. Tapos, mahati ang system mo sa left and right. Na-invite mo si Sir Arnold, nilagay mo sa left, at si Sir Curvy, nilagay mo sa right. So, na-detect na system na may pumasok sa left at sa right system mo. So, kumita ka ng 200 pesos. At same scenario din, ang ginawa ni Sir Arnold at si Sir Curvy. Nag-invite din sila, naka-invite din sila ng dalawa. So, kumita din sila ng 200 pesos sa sales match rewards. So, ang malupit dyan dahil na-detect na system na may tao ka sa left at right. At kumita ka ulit ng 200 pesos kahit hindi na ikaw ang nang-invite, as long as may pumasok under your left and right sales team. Safety net na ating sales match rewards. Maximum of 3,000 pesos income per day per account. What if di ako maka-invite? What if di ako makabenta ng products? Paano ako kikita? Ito yung tanong ng karamihan. Good news dahil dito sa MCM ay mayroon tayong ways to earn na maaari ka pa rin kumita kahit no invite at no selling of products. Meron tayong upline rewards. Earn 5% based on the income of your upline. So paano nga ba ito? Example, this is you. This is your upline. So let's say for example kumita si upline ng 2,000 pesos this week. So, dahil may 5% ka based sa income niya, so kumita ka rin ng 100 pesos passive income. Meron din tayong crossline rewards. Earn 5% based on your crossline's income. So paano nga ba ito? Example, this is you. At ito naman yung upline mo. So si upline ay may na-refer din na isang kaibigan niya at nilagay niya sa tapat mo. So ito yung crossline account mo. So every time nakikita si crossline account, may 5% ka based sa kinita niya. Meron din tayong downline rewards. Earn 5% based on the income of your direct downlines. So example, this is you. At ito yung mga downlines mo. So every time nakikita sila ay kikita ka rin ng 5% based kung magkano ang kinita nila. Another ways to earn natin dito ay meron tayong ads points mining. Earn points by just clicking and viewing advertisements in our websites. Points can be converted into cash, products, gadgets, and more. Check in the description for the tutorial o kung paano mag-ads points mining. And more ways to earn coming soon. Payout system natin. So weekly encashment tayo every Sunday, release every Monday the next week. Want to know more about MCM royalty? Message mo na agad yung nag-share ng video nito para mag-guide ka niya kung paano magsimula sa business na ito. So thank you for watching and God bless.